Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Vasline here again. Today I've got another facial treatment for you. This is especially good for those with hyperpigmentation, acne, and acne marks. This will help bring back the elasticity into your skin. Without wasting time, let's just get started. I'm going to need some Vasline. This is pure petroleum jelly. I'll get a bowl and come in with about a teaspoonful of Vasline. Next, I'll come in with about half a teaspoon of baking soda. I'll just mix everything up to form a paste. Our treatment is ready. Starting from a very clean face, I'll take a little bit of the mixture and I'll massage it gently onto my face. I'll do this in a circular motion. Vasline is very good for fine lines and wrinkles. If you want to bring some elasticity back into your skin, Vasline is what you need. Baking soda, on the other hand, helps to get rid of blemishes. This will generally improve your skin texture, also adding a natural glow to your skin. Now I'll leave it on my face for about 30 minutes. So it's been after 30 minutes and as you can see, it has kind of melted on my face. Now I'll rinse it off with lukewarm water and a very mild soap. This will give you that instant glow. It's especially very good for those with very dry skin. If you want maximum results, it's better to do this about 2 or 3 times in a week. So I hope I did help you and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.